Hey my divas, today I am going to share with you how I apply my foil to my nails. So I'm going to be using the Beetles nail art foil set. But before I get into that, I just want to say a little something about foils. Now, it is so much easier, I found, to use either a foil that has like a transparent design, or to use a foil that has a color that you can actually paint your nails the same color as the base of the foil. For example, this pink foil, if you paint your nails this pink color and then do the foil, it's so much easier to transfer. You won't see the little imperfections in it. And the white one, paint your nails white and you can not see the imperfections. Like if the foil doesn't cover every single inch, it won't look as bad. But when you try to use these full cover foils, like these holographic ones, it is much more difficult to get a very smooth foil lay down. So I would suggest you definitely use a foil that has designs on it with a cover, with a like a background that you can use that same nail color, or either one with a transparent background. They're so much easier to work with. So today I will be using the gel polish that I got from Amazon, from Vantica. I got this for only $8. It was like on sale, lightning deal. So $8 for 8 polishes. 6 of them were colors, and then you got the gel base and top coat. Comment below and let me know what type of nail videos do you like to see, or that you would like to see from me. This was a requested video to show how I do my nail foils. I did this foil here with the Mark Art nail foils. But tell me what kind of videos you like to watch. Do you like to see haul videos about nails? Do you like to see review videos like me review the nail lamp? I have a video on my channel reviewing this nail lamp. Would you like to see reviews of products? Would you like to see just like a nail chat? I plan on doing like a nail chat session where we just do our nails together and we just chat and talk it up and just talk about nails and our struggles and everything about it. So my next video will probably be how I stuck these nails on this hand, because I know a lot of people have issues with sticking their nails on this mannequin hand. So I'll let you know how I do mine, how I stick the nails on there, but we'll do a review on that. I can do a review of this hand in particular, like a full review. I just did an unboxing of it, but let's get on into the real show. So I can do a review on this Tech Life rotary tool also, because that's what I'm going to be using today. Love, love, love this. So I can do a review video on any of the things you see here. Just let me know and we can get that going. So this is a cordless rotary tool, but it is the absolute best e-file that I have, especially because it's cordless and rechargeable. So I'm going to start off by just roughing up the nail so that my gel polish can stick with no problem. Done with that, let me get, I probably need an alcohol wipe. That's what I would usually get, but I don't have that available right now. So I'll just use this paper towel. So I'm going to do the base coat. Thin layer of the base coat first. So this is kind of like a review video of the gel polish also by Vantica. I think the regular price of this is like $16, and then there was a 50% off coupon. So I wouldn't pay $16 for this, for these 8 polishes. I don't think. No, that's like $2 a bottle. No, I wouldn't pay that. But maybe $10, 12. I mean, it's not a bad product. It's just, I don't know, it's off brand, and I don't know. So let me go ahead and choose which foil I will be using today. I'm going to be painting it like a baby blue color. So I think we will try, that has a white background and this has like a blue type of background. Let's try this one. Yeah, this one will work. Okay. So cut that off. Put it back in my case. Sit that over to the side. Remove Bryla. And let's start our polishing. This is Haze Blue. So I'll probably do, maybe I'll do 2 coats. I don't know. We will see how it looks. But fortunately, your polish does not have to be perfect underneath the foils. If it's a fully colored foil, it doesn't have to be super perfect. And got a little bit on Bryla's cuticle. Oh, and now it's coming off. The nail is coming off. So apparently, I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. So apparently my Loctite method of putting nails on is not the best. So my other method of using my other glue is probably going to be the best method, but we will see. I got this hand off of Amazon for only $7, and it also had a brush to go with it, a buffing file, and like 10 nail art tools, brushes. So I was like, I don't care how I have to stick these nails on this mannequin hand for $7 for all of that. Sign me up. I probably need to go and order another one as a backup. You know what? Before they're all gone, I may have to do that. I think I will. Because, I mean, that's worth, you know, it's worth it. That's all I can say. All right, so let me try to put this nail back on. Goodness. Okay. All right, so we're going to do a second coat of this Haze Blue. And that should be all that we need. Okay. Let's see, get that. I thought I saw a little piece of, if you ever see any type of fuzz or anything on your brush, get that off like ASAP, because you do not want your polish to be tainted with any type of dirt or dust. Okay, so once that is cured, you will take your nail art foil glue and apply that. So I think what I found with the BEETLES foil glue is it's best to go ahead and apply your foil as soon as it comes out of the lamp. Do not let it cool off. Apply it while it's hot. with the mark art, I think you need to wait a few minutes before you apply, or not a few minutes, a few seconds before you apply that. Apply that when it's cold. So I think I got it right. I might have it backwards, but I noticed that while I was doing them, doing my nail foils, it was like one of them wanted you to, it did better hot coming straight out of the lamp, and the other one did better cold, if that makes any sense. Okay, so that's a good enough layer right there. 60 seconds is how much we want on that one. And we are going to go ahead and get our foil ready. Ready, set, and go. And make sure it's on the side that has the nail art and not on the unprinted side. You want it on the colored side. So the unprinted side, or the white side, is going to be face down on the nail. And the colored side is going to be facing upwards. So how do you feel about like live events, like live shows where we get together live and just chat about nails and doing our nails and some of our nail struggles as beginners or as pros or whatever you are? So we are going to put that directly on the nail, smooth it down, take our silicone tool and just smooth it down. And sometimes you can just take your finger and smooth it down that way, just with your finger. Get it all over. Make sure you can see that. I'm trying to hold the nail on while I smooth it down. You can also use a cuticle pusher to push your design down. Give it a little bit of friction. And you can already see it's already transferring really well. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, it's transferring very well. Look at that. Perfect. That's a little bit of my, this right here is a little bit of my, what you call that stuff that I use to stick my nail on. The, what is the name of this stuff? Loctite. That's what I use, this blue stuff to temporarily stick the nail on. So this did well, except for that little piece right there that didn't really do right. I wonder, can we fix that? Put a little piece right there and see, will that come down on there? Yep, it did. That worked. But I should have put the whole thing over it. Let's see if I can do that. Alright, here we go, here we go. Just kind of smooth that down. Boom! That worked a lot better. Okay, so, oh my goodness, all this blue Loctite getting on my nerves. Alright, so now what we want to do is get all this blue stuff from around her finger. We want to put our top coat on. Okay, get our top coat. And apply it. That is looking really good. Look at that. Okay, let's cure that for 60 seconds. That was easy peasy. So I did have it right. Beetles, their foil wants you to do it hot. Now the Mark Art foils, I think you should wait a few seconds before you apply those, but I will do that as a review video next, or if you request it, if you would like to see me apply the Mark Art foils, I can do that. But this one is a Beetles review, how I apply the Beetles nail foil, and it did a really good job. This is a very good glue, and you shouldn't have too many problems out of it. I mean, it's just like that, easy peasy. We can even add some more nail art to it, but I think the way it is just perfectly fine. So once it's done curing, we're going to take that baby out of the lamp. Boom. And there you have it. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh, yes. If I can just, and it's no wipe. And if I can just get it in there, get it from being crooked and for it to stay on her finger, it'll be perfect. There we go. So that's it. That's how you apply the Beetles nail art foil. How easy. So if you enjoy videos like this, please give this video a big old thumbs up. And if you enjoy this channel so far, please consider subscribing. I offer you all of the best tips, tricks, and hacks on a budget. We are trying to look diva-fied on a budget, divas, okay? We don't want to be spending all our money on a nail shop and nail supplies. We are doing this the right way, okay? Also, please don't forget to ring that bell for notifications so that you will not miss the next video from me. Thank you so much for tuning in, my divas. You have a wonderful rest of the day and stay beautiful. Bye.